Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into this crypto.com app, and this app is not available in my region nor this website is, so I'll just tell you what to do. Just go and open the app and tap on sign up button. There you'll have to enter your email address, then check the link sent to your inbox, and then you'll have to enter your phone number, your and then enter the SMS OTP verification code, and then you'll have to provide your full legal name and allow camera access to scan your government issued ID. It could be your driver's license, passport or identity card, and after that you need to take a live selfie to match with your ID, and once verified create a 6-digit passcode to log in and set your preferred payment currency, and that is how you can sign up into your crypto.com account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.